All right, today we'll be visiting the 6.665 billion naira contract for the dualization of UNIZIK Temporary Site, which is about 1.8 kilometers dual carriageway and the 4.227 kilometer of single lane road that stretches from Igwe Junction, the end of Obiokoli, that's the UNIZIK Temporary Site Road that goes down to Isuanaocha Junction and the Ekaba axis. Yes, so we'll be giving you updates on the drainage construction, the one that stretches from where the underground drainage stops at Y Junction, moving down towards the point where it will be connected. Also, you will be seeing where the contract of Niger Cat Construction Company, that is the people handling from Temp Site down to Ekaba side after Isuanaocha Junction, where their job ends and where the new contractor own continues, the one that stretches from there down to Achalla Road. The road is under construction now, seriously under construction, and you are going to see some of this part of this road today in this video. Yes, I also learned that there was a camera being mounted somewhere around that Isuanaocha bridge. So we are going to see if we will still capture it today. In addition to that, I hope to also show you where that new government house road, the original connection of that road to Isuanaocha Junction. I don't know if the government will still want to award it later to connect that place, but I was reliably told that from that Isuanaocha Junction, I will show you the place where people used to follow to come out at that back of the new government house, axis. And I was also told that the new government house road, once it stretches down, that it goes into two places. One goes towards this Isuanaocha and the other one goes towards Amansi. But that part is yet to be awarded for now. So let's focus on where we are now. This is UNIZIK Temporary Site Road, that is the Obiokoli Street, moving towards Y Junction. Earlier before now, I know what people are passing through this road before the construction. Even during the construction, people saw hell. That is, people saw hell along this road, and now they are enjoying it. During the rainy season now, people will not have any cause to be afraid. They will be moving gently anywhere they are going along this road. But then, people saw hell. Is it about the traffic because of road construction, or the bad condition of the road during that period? Well, all thanks goes to the governor and everybody that has hand in making this place a livable place. Well, this is Node Junction moving towards Y Junction, and you can see sand have overtaken this side of the road because that Node road is yet to be constructed. So a lot of influx of sand, by vehicle tires coming into this road, and it's quite disturbing. And we know that they are not sweeping this road. That's why the heap of sand is coming up on daily basis. I've said this 10 times without number. So some of these major streets that during construction, they should try as much as possible to, touch the major link road along that road, even if it's just about 8 meters or 10 meters of asphalt before they entrance into the major road that is, constructed. Imagine what happens, when road markings are done on the road and the sand will not allow the people to see the road markings. That is just a pure waste, honestly speaking. So these things, these little details matters a lot. Well, before now, I've said it that this is one of the big mistakes. You know, um, having this road single lane, that the construction would have continued with double lane. At least that Isuanaocha junction is just a little distance, and this is the right time to do it, and not when people have occupied the whole side of the road. Then we'll start talking about demolition. Some of these things matters, even though in all, the road is now better. We have a better road and smooth road that we can now ply. But it's not all about now. We should, inculcate a little future in what we are doing. So we are still moving down to Isuanaocha Junction. From there, we move down to Achalla. Achalla area is where this road stopped, as in where this contractor, Niger Cat, stopped their own construction. Then another contractor is the one handling that from Achalla towards Achalla. And they are firing the work, as expected. Yes, so shortly now from here, we are going to be at Isuanaocha Junction, and I will show you guys the path that leads to the back of the government house that I told you people I will show you. So let's keep going towards that. So look here now, observe this place, this junction, Isuanaocha Junction. Look at the road by the right here. We've just passed it by the right. That is where the connection is. The place that connects to the back of the government house. That is what I was reliably told. So, but when we have our reverse view, I will show you that place very well. So right now we're moving down towards Achalla side. Yes, so the problem we will have is maintenance of our infrastructures. If you observe, you can see that the grasses are growing already inside the drainage system. So that will be a very big challenge if we don't fashion out a way of cleaning and keeping our roads neat. This will be a problem. After spending the whole money, having these infrastructures constructed, then we cannot maintain it. Let there be a functional way, a practical way of getting our roads, our drainages cleaned up so that it will save the life of these infrastructures. I've said these things severally, and there is unexpected things that we are supposed to be seeing by now, but nothing, reasonable towards that. And that is what people are complaining, not having a very clean environment and the maintenance problem. There is this problem that is very common in Nigeria, the type of politics that we play. Sometimes as in a Achoba Isiochu, Ejebenuzu, people, the orientation we have about politics is what is killing us. Let's be factual. The kind of politics we play and the kind of understanding we have about politics is our problem. People are after sharing the money. Let the government share money and give people. That is what they are after. Don't be surprised that people will tell you that there is no need constructing these roads and this project, that the government should share the money for them to take home. So this is the place the new contractor started their own. You can see But I observe something. You see, this gutter is bigger. This gutter is more befitting. You can see the one this contractor is doing and the style he's using is not, asphalting the complete road, which is not too good for me. He would have asphalted the complete road. He's leaving the hard shoulders with not asphalting it completely. So does it mean that any contractor will just come up with his own idea and specification and then start implementing it? Don't we have a uniform specification? This contractor's gutter is bigger than that of the Niger Cartoon. It's bigger and wider. Can verify. So this is the road that leads down to Isuanaocha. Sorry, it leads down to Achalla. You get to a junction, that goes down to Amanuke, and from there you divert right to Achalla. That is the direction of this road, but we are not going down to that place. We will be having our turn somewhere around here. Okay? That is how we are going to do it. So we are having our reverse view from here. So viewers, like I was saying concerning the type of politics that we play in this country, we play that type of politics of give me, give me. People forget that those in politics, that they are there to bring development to the community and improve people's life through what development they are going to bring. They are not there to start sharing money for you directly, or maybe to give somebody in authority a huge sum of money to come and share to you people. That is the mentality of politics that we play. But that has to change. I'm not saying that people should not benefit from where they are working. Yes, there should be a kind of balancing, but this type of development should not be strangulated for the idea of sharing money. That is the point I am making. So sometimes you don't blame the government. Sometimes we blame ourselves for having that kind of mentality. But such mentalities can be changed with time, with what the government is doing. If the government is very serious and intentional in what they are doing, people don't have option than to understand what they are doing. So in a nutshell, the general masses, people prefer to grab money in politics. That is the type of politics that we play. And they will be happy that they have grabbed their own money. That's all. They may tell you that onye rijuo afọ o wee nyawa moto o wee gawa n'ụzọ. That is the local and dangerous politics that we play in this country. Well, I think I've spoken, and I've spoken at length, and I may not talk on that again. And ọbụna were ile agụ ezi ọnụ, onye mara ebe ọ bụ arụ, ọ chekwaje chila akpụ ya. So that is it. So we are moving towards Isuanaocha Junction, and I will cover that place that I told you guys, that back of the government house road. They told me where it is supposed to bust out, when the government decides to award that place. Well, if government award that place, it may not necessarily mean that it will come out there. But the thing is that there is a link there. So look at it here. You see the continuation of this road here now. Piam. If you follow here now, they said you are going to come out at that back of a new government house. That is what I was reliably told. Thank you.